In this video tutorial, you will learn to make this type of hair bow. To make this bow, you need a 5 by 9 inch strip of fabric to make the bow. First take the measurements and then cut the fabric. Now we will cut another small strip of 1 by 3 inch for tying the knot. Now we will fold this strip to sew its ends. Then we will sew it with the help of sewing machine, or you can, if you don't have a sewing machine, you can also use a thread and needle to do the same thing. If you are using the sewing machine, make sure you give a back stitch in the beginning and in the end of the strip. Now we will flip this strip inside out. You can use either a safety pin or a pencil to flip this. Now put this strip like this and then iron it for the neatness. Then fold the edges of the small strip. Then sew the edges together and now bring it in the middle of the strip and then flip it inside out. Now it's almost ready. We just have to pinch this bow. To make this bow, now we will pinch it from the middle. First pinch this from the middle and then hold the outer corners with the middle pinch. And then wrap a thread around it to secure this pinch. And the last step to make this bow is to wrap the small strip that we have already folded for this, and you can wrap that strip with either the help of needle and thread, or you can also use the glue gun to stick it. I am here will be using the needle and thread. As a last step, we just have to attach the alligator clip on the back of this bow, and we are good to go with this hair bow. If you like the video and you have learned something, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and like my video. Thank you very much for watching.